In this video, we will learn another interesting topic, that is method reference. Method references are also created or defined using functional interface. If an interface is having single method, then it is called as functional interface. So upon a functional interface, we can assign a reference to a method. Let us see an example. Through an example, I will explain you what are method references. See, I have a interface called my Lambda. It is having one display method which is taking a string as a parameter. Now here I will declare a reference of my Lambda ml assign to this. What I want to do with this string, I want to just print using system.out.println. So I can use the reference of a method. System.out is an object, right? System is a class, .out is an object inside that, and there is a static method that is println. That's it. So now what happens? This println will be assigned to this display method. So this display method will act like a println method. So when this is acting like println means whatever the string I pass, it will print. Yes. So this method becomes a println method. Let us check this one. I will call this ml.display. So I will pass a string hello and it will print. Let us check. Run this program. So it is printing hello. Why it is printing? Because I made this display as system.out.println. So this println I am using scope resolution. I have used a class name and an object name, and this is a static method. So this is written using scope resolution. I will write one more static method and show you here. I have written a static method inside this class Lambda Expression. There's a spelling mistake, just ignore it. I have written a static method reverse, which will take a string and it is creating an object of string buffer to reverse a string. There is a method called reverse inside string buffer. Then I am printing this string buffer. See, can I use this static method and assign it as a method reference to ML? Yes. So the class name is Lambda demo. So I will assign it here. See, Lambda demo, and this is like a scope resolution from C++, right? So for a reference, we use this scope resolution like operator, and the method name is reverse. That's it. See, I have assigned another static method to this one. See, earlier I have assigned system.out and its println method I have given. Now I have assigned reverse method of a Lambda demo class, right? And I am calling display now. So actually display has become what? Display has become reverse. So when I pass this hello, it should print reverse of hello. Yes, HELLO is reversed. Okay, actually this should be out, but it became error. So now if I run again, see OLLEH, yes, it is reversing. So if you have observed one thing, I have taken my Lambda ML, same reference. Here one time I have assigned println, so I was able to call println method. And now I have assigned reverse, so I am calling another method, that is reverse method. So same reference is used for calling different methods. So using this reference, you can assign any method which is taking single string as a parameter, right? And you can call that particular method. So dynamically you can assign any method and call it. So this is the benefit of method reference. You can assign any method and you can call that method to a functional interface or an interface with a single method. Now let us see next. If it is not static, then what? If it is not static, I cannot assign it like this. Then what I should do? I should first of all create an object of Lambda, okay? Lambda demo, LD assign new Lambda demo. I have created an object. So the object name is LD. Then instead of class name, see, static methods can be referenced using class name. So right, so using class name I was giving it. Now I have to use LD, the object name, LD, and its reverse. So this is how I can assign a method reference by taking an object. So for non-static member, we have to take an object and assign them. All right. Now same thing will happen. So I have shown you static method as well as non-static method. Both I have shown you. Now one more thing I will show you. I will remove this method. I will remove this. Okay. I will write a constructor. Can we assign a constructor of any class as a method reference? Yes. I will first define a constructor. So I have written a constructor for this Lambda demo class, which takes a string as a parameter and it will print the uppercase of a string. Okay. Now to this reference of a functional interface, I want to assign the constructor. So what is the constructor? How to assign it? Let us check. I should call Lambda demo, then its reference to a method, just say new. That's it. So this constructor, it is referring to this constructor. So now the display method of Lambda expression is referring to this constructor. So when you call display, then this constructor will be called and it is printing two uppercase. So it will print uppercase of this hello. I will just make it lowercase hello. Let us check whether it will be called. Yes, it is called. So you can also assign constructors of a class as reference to a method. So reference to a constructor is given here. So I have shown you static methods. I have shown you non-static instance method, and one more is constructor. So for constructor, just you have to say new along with the class name. Now let us see more on this one. If there are multiple parameters, I will write one of the method here. See, one string, and I will take one more string as parameter. Okay. str2. Okay, first one is str1 and the second one is str2. Let us take two strings. Now here I will assign one string, that is string class, and the method is compare to. See, compare to requires one parameter only and the other one is the object itself. So it will call actually str1 dot compare to str2. It is taking only one parameter, but first object it will take it as a reference. So it internally it will call like this str1 dot compare to str2. So I have to pass two strings here. So compare to with hello. Okay. And the result should be either 0 or -1 or 1. Already you know about compare to method. So I will print this one. Oh, it is giving error. Yeah, one thing. Actually this compare to method returns integer. Okay, now it is perfect because it has to return either 0 or -1 or 1. Let us run this. So I should get the result as 0 because both are equal. Yes, they are equal. So it returns 0. I will change another string, well. Okay, so this O I will remove. So H and W. H is smaller, W is greater. So it should return -1. So it has given -15, the difference between their ASCII codes. So the result is negative. Okay. Now next, instead of H, I will make it Z. So now it should give positive result because Z comes after W. Yes, it is giving positive result and the difference is 3 in their ASCII code. So the answer is 3. So that's it. This is about method reference. You can take a functional interface reference and you can assign directly methods, static methods or non-static methods, as well as constructor. And you can have number of parameters also, more than one parameters also you can assign. Now this display, whatever the method you assign here, that will be converted into display. So when you call display, internally this method will be called. So that's all in this video. So please practice this one. This is useful. This is handy. So it is useful for writing a small size code or compact code. The benefit of this is you can make compact code. Yes, one more thing I have to tell you that it is just like, see, I have shown you different methods assigned to the same reference and we are calling it. So it means it is more like polymorphism. Yes, that is parent class reference, having an object of child class, and calling overridden method. So the method of a object will be called. It is more like that. So indirectly we are achieving polymorphism without writing too much code. We don't have to write a lot of code and a lot of classes. Just with few lines we are achieving polymorphism like mechanism. So that's all. So practice this one.